the pre-collision system is activated. The driver is alerted, and if the risk of collision increases further, brake assist and automatic braking features are activated to support evasive maneuvers or to minimize collision damage. Lane Departure Alert, which identifies traffic lanes via camera, alerts the driver with a warning buzzer and display when the vehicle is about to deviate from its lane without driver intent. This helps prevent accidents caused by leaving lanes. Automatic High Beam detects preceding and approaching vehicles via camera and automatically switches between high and low beams. By using high beams more frequently, the system enables earlier detection of pedestrians and obstacles. Toyota Safety Sense, combining these three active safety technologies, provides multifaceted support and helps create a safer driving environment. In addition, Toyota Safety Sense P uses even more advanced technology to prevent collisions with preceding vehicles. It also helps prevent collisions with pedestrians through combined use of millimeter wave radar and a camera, and can reduce vehicle speeds by roughly 30 kilometers an hour. Radar Cruise Control enables cars to follow one another on highways while maintaining a set distance. Onboard millimeter wave radar